The national train state company Kereta Api Indonesia, along with the state-owned National Housing Development Company, are collaborating to develop housing areas near commuter train stations. The construction of housing near train stations is hoped to increase the use of trains for daily commutes and thus increase the rate of public mobility while reducing pollution as well.
In a bid to create homes that are integrated with public transportation systems, the national train state company Kereta Api Indonesia, along with the state-owned National Housing Development Company, are collaborating to develop housing areas near commuter train stations. As the public have shown great interest in this housing concept, it is hoped that creating housing complexes near commuter train stations will increase the use of trains for daily commutes and help reduce the use of personal vehicles and thus reduce pollution as well. Currently, Kereta Api Indonesia and the National Housing Development Company are collaborating to build a new commuter train station near the Perum Perumnas train station. This new commuter train station will be integrated with a housing complex, which is owned by the National Housing Development Company, or Perum Perumnas.
Parayasa di Perum Perumnas ini stasiun baru yang kami bangun tepat di depan kawasan perumahan Perumnas, sehingga harapan kami para penghuni di sekitar stasiun Parayasa ini akan diberi kemudahan. Jadi trennya memang saat ini kami membangun hunian yang berbasis transportasi massal. Dengan KAI ini sudah kerjasama yang keempat, Pak Didi ya. Jadi, tapi untuk rumah tapak landed house ini baru terjadi di Parayasa ini.
The President Director of Kereta Api Indonesia, Didik Hartantio, said that housing complexes that are integrated with public transportation will be a trend in the property sector. As of now, Kereta Api Indonesia and the National Housing Development Company are developing 3 apartments in Greater Jakarta, which will be integrated with commuter train stations. Namely, those 3 apartments will be connected to and built near the Tanjung train station in West Jakarta, the Pondok Cina station in Depok, and the Rawabuntu station in South Tangerang.
Jadi konsep ke depan membangun integrasi antara transportasi dan hunian ya. Ini yang akan memberikan suatu nilai tambah karena ke depan dengan semakin kepadatan lalu lintas ya, ini maka kelancaran akses itu merupakan suatu kunci dan akan menjadi lifestyle ya. Jadi ke depan itu ya orang itu akan lebih berpikir lebih efisien dengan menggunakan transportasi massal.
In the future, the National Train State Company, Kereta Api Indonesia, and the National Housing Development Company will build integrated housing in other parts of Indonesia, including in Central Java. The integrating of housing complexes with commuter train lines will hopefully increase public mobility across the country and help boost economic activity.